If there's one exercise that looks intimidating but will turn you into a powerhouse, it's the deadlift. And despite its name, the only thing that will die is your weakness. So before we dive into the history and the how-to, let's answer the big question. What exactly is a deadlift? Think of this as the ultimate pick heavy stuff up and put it down safely movement. The deadlift is a foundational, full body exercise that involves lifting the weight off the ground to hip level by extending the hip and knees, and then returning to the floor under control. It is considered one of the big three powerlifting moves alongside the squat and the bench press. And as for the name deadlift, it comes from lifting a dead weight. No momentum, no bounce, just pure strength. Don't worry, the move won't kill you, if you do it right. This lift didn't just appear one day, it was forged under decades of feats of strength. Meet Hermann Goerner. German strongman, circus performer, and the man credited as being the godfather of the deadlift. Now that sounds like a pretty cool title to me. From 1910 to 1930, his lifting demonstrations blew people's minds and helped shape the deadlift that we use today. But heavy lifting existed long before him. In the 1890s, French wrestler Julius Cocard reportedly lifted off a monstrous 661 pounds off the floor. Still, it was Goerner's technique, showmanship, and sheer strength that pushed the deadlift into the spotlight. If you've got space to stand and something heavy to lift, you can do this super exercise. The deadlift can be done almost anywhere with the right equipment. Here's a few examples. 1. At a commercial gym. Look for a deadlift platform or a free weight area. Make sure you've got space and you're not blocking anybody. And as ever, if you're unsure where to go, ask staff. They'll point you in the right direction. 2. At a CrossFit gym. Now many will allow drop-ins, but just check policies and schedule ahead of time. And 3. At home. You can use barbells, dumbbells, or kettlebells. Just find a nice, flat, safe area to lift. And although you can start home, if you're looking for bigger numbers, then maybe a commercial gym might be a better choice. Alright, enough talk. You ready to see what your body's capable of? Here's the deadlift in action. If you could only pick one exercise to make you stronger for life, this is the one. This is why the deadlift reigns supreme. 1. Functional strength. The deadlift mimics real-life movement, picking up stuff safely. They build strength that actually translates to real-life situations. Want to lift your shopping bags easier? The deadlift's got you. 2. Whole body efficiency. This is a compound exercise. Multiple muscles, multiple joints, all working together. Some of the major muscles worked here are your glutes, hamstrings, lower back, core, upper back, forearms, and grip. That's a lot of muscles. When done correctly, the deadlift can help you with these health benefits. 1. Increase bone density. 2. Improve posture. 3. Boost athletic performance. And 4. Build a strong, resilient back. I say do it correctly. It's very important that you get the movement right. It's very easy to get this exercise wrong. If you get it wrong, you will know about it. So I ask, why are you not doing this exercise again? So that's the deadlift. One of the most powerful, functional, and empowering lifts you could ever learn. If you want a full tutorial, a form breakdown, or variations like the sumo or Romanian deadlift, drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and remember, lift smart, lift strong, lift from the ground up. See you soon.